Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love smart technology and cool home gadgets that make everyday life easier, you're in the right place. Today we're looking at 5 trending home gadgets that are gaining a lot of attention in 2026. From smart cleaning to intelligent lighting, these gadgets are designed to save time, improve comfort, and make your home feel more modern. Let's get started. Number 1. Robot Vacuum and Mop. Our first gadget is the Robot Vacuum and Mop, one of the most popular smart home devices today. This little machine can vacuum your floors and mop them at the same time without requiring much effort from you. Most modern robot vacuums use advanced laser mapping technology to create a detailed map of your home. This allows them to clean efficiently without bumping into furniture or getting stuck in corners. You can even control the cleaning schedule through a smartphone app so your floors stay clean even when you're away from home. Another great feature is automatic charging. When the battery gets low, the robot returns to its charging dock by itself and continues cleaning once it's fully charged. If you have pets or a busy lifestyle, this gadget can save you hours of cleaning every week. Although it costs more than a traditional vacuum cleaner, the convenience makes it a worthwhile investment for many households. Overall, the Robot Vacuum and Mop is an excellent smart home gadget that combines convenience, automation, and powerful cleaning performance. Number 2. Smart Air Purifier. Next up is the Smart Air Purifier, a must-have gadget for anyone who wants cleaner and healthier indoor air. This device uses a multi-layer filtration system to remove dust, pollen, pet hair, smoke, and even tiny airborne particles that are invisible to the human eye. Many smart air purifiers also include real-time air quality sensors that automatically adjust the fan speed based on the pollution level inside your home. You can monitor the air quality through a mobile app, receive filter replacement reminders, and even control the purifier using voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. It's especially useful for people with allergies, asthma, or anyone living in cities with poor air quality. The purifier runs quietly, making it perfect for bedrooms, offices, or living rooms. While replacement filters need to be changed every few months, the improved air quality is definitely worth it. If you care about your family's health, a smart air purifier is a fantastic addition to any modern home. Number 3. Smart LED light panels. The third gadget is smart LED light panels, a stylish way to upgrade your room's lighting. Unlike regular lights, these modular panels can be arranged into different shapes and patterns on your wall. You can choose from millions of colors, create animated lighting effects, and synchronize the lights with your music or gaming setup. Everything can be controlled through a smartphone app or voice commands, allowing you to instantly change the mood of your room. Whether you're creating a gaming room, recording YouTube videos, or simply decorating your bedroom, these lights provide a premium and modern appearance. Installation is easy because most panels use adhesive mounting, so you don't need to drill holes in your wall. Although they're mainly decorative, smart LED light panels are perfect for anyone who wants a futuristic-looking home setup. Number 4. Smart Wi-Fi security camera. Home security has become more important than ever, and that's where the smart Wi-Fi security camera comes in. These cameras offer full HD or even 4K video quality, night vision, motion detection, and instant smartphone notifications whenever movement is detected. Some models can even recognize whether the movement comes from a person, a pet, or a vehicle, reducing false alarms. Many security cameras include two-way audio, allowing you to talk to visitors or delivery drivers directly through your phone. Cloud storage and local SD card recording options ensure your footage stays safe. Installation is simple, and many cameras connect directly to your home's Wi-Fi without requiring complicated wiring. For anyone looking to improve home security while keeping an eye on their property from anywhere in the world, this gadget is definitely worth considering. Number 5. Smart Kitchen Multi-Cooker. Our final gadget is the Smart Kitchen Multi-Cooker, one of the most useful appliances for busy families. This all-in-one device combines multiple cooking functions such as pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, sautéing, rice cooking, and even yogurt making. Using its smartphone app, you can monitor cooking progress, receive notifications, and access hundreds of guided recipes. The multi-cooker automatically controls temperature and cooking time, making it almost impossible to overcook your meals. Whether you're preparing soups, rice, chicken, vegetables, or desserts, this appliance helps save both time and kitchen space. Cleaning is also easy because most cooking pots have a non-stick coating and are dishwasher safe. If you enjoy cooking but don't always have enough time, a smart multi-cooker can completely transform your daily routine. So those were 5 of the hottest trending home gadgets that are making everyday life smarter, easier, and more convenient in 2026. Whether you're interested in automatic cleaning, healthier air, modern lighting, better home security, or smarter cooking, there's something here for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.